Welcome and welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. My weekend was pretty tough, guys. I was going through it. I've had to support my neck because I had a really high output week where I was working, filming, editing, and my body started to signal an overload. So instead of pushing through that, I had to make some adjustments. But honestly, I talk a lot about discipline and structure, and there comes a point where discipline can turn into you overriding your body, and that can actually stall progress. So let's talk about that. Discipline is not punishment, and it's not about ignoring signals or proving how hard you can push through. Okay. Real discipline is consistency within your capacity. It's about applying a clear stimulus within your current capacity and allowing recovery so adaptation can occur. If you can't recover from it, well, you cannot adapt to it. And let me tell you, overriding your system looks very subtle at first. It looks like training hard when you've only had 4 hours of sleep, or pushing through intensity when you've had a high emotional, stressful week, or filming and performing through pain just because it was scheduled. Ignoring signals because they're not dramatic enough. That's a subtle override. But your body cannot separate gym stress from life stress. It just can't, right? What it does is it adapts to your total stress. And that's where most women get stuck because they confuse pushing harder with discipline. When I use the term regulate, what does it mean to you? Regulation doesn't mean doing less. It simply means adjusting the intensity within your capacity, right? What your body can actually hold and actually build from it. Some weeks are high capacity weeks, other weeks are moderate, and some are low. Structure accounts for that. That's capacity based regulation. That's total stress awareness. That's predictable recovery. That's what we want. You don't escalate when your body is signaling an overload. You stabilize. Now, if your discipline feels like pressure instead of structure, this is a cue to reassess, not quit. We're just adjusting. We are regulating. We are stabilizing within our capacity, right? Yes, yes. And if you're ready to truly build discipline that doesn't override your system, start with my 7 day reset. This is your entry point into the system that's structured, regulated, and it's designed to help you stabilize before you escalate. I'll link it below. And last but not least, if this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe or share with someone else who may be struggling on their journey. Until next time, my friend.